Good morning to all of you. In this video lecture, we are going to see the subject CME 380 Automobile Engineering. In that, we are going to cover Unit 2, Video Lecture 2. In that, we are going to see the topics, various types of injector systems and ignition systems. Okay, in that first one, we are going to see the individual pump system. So as the diagram indicates, in this system, each cylinder is provided with one pump and one injector, and separate metering and compression pump is provided for each cylinder. In a high pressure pump, a plunger is actuated by cam and produces the fuel pressure necessary to open the injector valve at the correct time. The amount of fuel injected depends on the effective stroke of the plunger. Okay, these are the main functions of the individual pump system. In this slide, we are going to see about the layout of the common rail injector system. So here the components are high pressure pump, and there is a common rail in which the entire fuel travels along, and there is a fuel filter, and there is a main fuel tank, and there is a lift pump. There are actuators, sensors will come from the engine, and the electronic control unit receives messages from the engine, as well as it gives the quantity of fuel required at each strokes. Okay. Now we can see the functions of the common rail injection systems. In this system, HP pump supplies fuel under high pressure to header. High pressure in the header forces the fuel to each nozzle located in the cylinders of this system, and that at the time a mechanically operated valve allows the fuel to enter the proper cylinder through the nozzle. By varying the length of the push rod stroke, the amount of fuel entering the cylinder is regulated. Now we can see the advantages and limitations of this kind of mechanism. The advantages, the number one point is it delivers 25% more power and torque than normal direct injection engine. Initial cost is low, superior pickup is possible. It maintains lower level of noise and vibration. Higher mileage is obtained. Emissions are low. Fuel consumption is less. Improved performance is obtained. And some of the limitations includes many parts involve complicated design. Production cost is high. High degree of engine maintenance is required. And in this slide, we are seeing about the layout of the electronic ignition system. So in that you can see various spark plug and the distributor system and ignition coil, electronic control module, battery, magnetic pickup unit, armature or reluctor, and vacuum advance. So these are some of the layouts of the electronic ignition system. Now we can see the components of the electronic ignition system. Number one, battery, ignition switch, electronic control module, armature, ignition coil, distributor, and spark plug. The remaining things we can see in the next video. Thank you.